Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the Y20. Plug the charger, power it on, and charge to at least 50% so updates complete smoothly. While charging, install the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. This makes pairing faster. Insert the SIM if you need cellular features, then press and hold the side button to boot. Once done, follow the on-screen language and region prompts. They configure system units and time correctly, which avoids sync issues later. You now pair the watch with the app. Open the companion app, choose Y20, and accept the Bluetooth pairing request. This links notifications and health sync. Make sure to grant the app permissions for location, contacts, and notifications so features function properly. Customize watch faces and sync your health metrics. This improves daily tracking accuracy. If firmware updates appear, install them now because updates fix bugs and add stability. You'll use swipe gestures to navigate and the side button for quick actions. Learn the core shortcuts to save time. Customize alerts, do not disturb, and widget order in the app so the watch matches your routine, and set health goals for accurate tracking. If the watch becomes unresponsive, try a soft reset first. If that fails, back up data in the app and perform a factory reset, then repair. This sequence resolves most connectivity or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.